And to give a brief overview of the prompt, the game Squirrel Finder basically has a koala that you can move using the arrow keys. Strawberries spawn every second and they bounce around, and you want to avoid the strawberries. After 3 seconds, a squirrel icon comes up, and you want to find the squirrel to win. And there are a few other instructions like putting OpenAI in the game screen and displaying instructions before the game starts, etc. So first you can see that the model thought for 21 seconds before giving the final answer. And you can see that during its thinking process, it is gathering details on the game's layout, mapping out the instructions, setting up the screen, etc. And so here's the code that it gave. And I will paste it into a window, and we'll see if it works. So you've seen there's instructions, and let's try to play the game.
What you just saw was the preview of new OpenAI O1 model. You know what? OpenAI released O1, a new model, but it is totally different from other old models, even different from GPT-4o-mini. Here is Sam Altman's tweet, or I can say post on the X, which defined the new model's capability in math, code, and PhD level research and reasoning. More information in this video. Welcome to Bitfilms. I'm your host Sarthak, and this video is all about the new amazing OpenAI O1 model. This model, as they say, is not an extension or upgrade of their previous model. This is an entirely new series of the model, which says it's really amazing to see how model thinks. Yes, these models actually think before it really return the response. From this blog post, OpenAI said that a new series of reasoning model for solving harder problems. The GPT-4o-mini, the best-in-class model, are general purpose model. They are designed to solve every kind of problem, and if that is the case, they are not specialized in anything. But this model, O1 model, is specialized in reasoning and solving harder problems. They said that it can reason through complex tasks and solve harder problems than the previous models in coding, science, and even on the mathematics. That's incredible. That's really powerful. And if you want to get into how the LLM reasoning works, just check out this blog post from the OpenAI, which says learning to reason with LLM. We will talk about this a little bit, but let's get back to the original blog post release. Here it says how the model works is basically very simple. They have trained the model to spend more time thinking through the problem they respond, which is just like human. So as a human, what we do, we think about a problem in a different perspective, different viewpoint, and then come up with a result. This is exactly similar this model is going to do. Though training, they learn to refine their thinking process, try different strategies, and recognize their mistakes. This is what humans do. Yeah. So it's almost like how a PhD student perform the challenging task. Yes, this model is also going to do on various benchmarks like physics, chemistry, bio. That's going to be powerful, and it can be useful in industry for different high level purpose, not general level like ChatGPT. So they have found that on the International Math Olympiad, GPT-4o, the best class we use, is just able to solve 13% of the problem. But this OpenAI O1 has crossed 80%, exactly 83%. it got on International Math Olympiad. Isn't it mind-blowing that how a model can think, can reason, and then respond to your answer? Their coding ability were evolved in the contest and reached 89 percentile in the Code Force competition. Is it going to take the engineer's job or the programmer's job? Obviously not, but yes, it's going to give a tough competition. So basically, it doesn't have many features like they have created for GPT, like browsing for the web, uploading file. But since it is specialized, it has the ability to give you high complex questions answer. Now, if you're thinking about the safety, they have said that, hey, safety is testing out model in continue following safety rules, try to bypass the jailbreak feature, and GPT-4o was 22 out of 100 in solving the harder jailbreak test, but now O1 is able to solve 84% of the hardest jailbreak test. That's going to give really huge security for the researchers, for the high level industries. Okay, so obviously they have more safety features which makes it better, but who is going to actually use this model? Since this model is so amazing, obviously it will be costlier. It's not going to be available for general user. It's going to be only available for ChatGPT Plus users. That means it's going to be used by industries expert people, like in the genetics, like in economics. You can see it's cognition. So in various different fields like quantum physics, yes, OpenAI O1 can help the quantum physics people to solve their complex problem, and for them the price doesn't matter, because what matter is solving complex problems. And that's why I say that this model is not for you and me, it's for the experts, for the professionals solving huge problems of their life. And with that we have O1-mini. Okay, so now this O1 series excel at accurately generating debugging complex problems to offer a more efficient solution for developers like you and me. They have created O1-mini, which is faster, cheaper, and reasoning model. Now, if you are going to create something which is going to solve different problem, let's say the coding problem, then use the O1-mini model, which is faster and cheaper. And O1-mini is 80% cheaper than O1 preview. I said, like, O1 preview is huge, it's costlier, but O1-mini is 80% cheaper. How great it is. So as soon as it will be released for API, you and me can try it out and see how powerful it is. So how do you use it? As I said, it's only available for ChatGPT Plus user or team user, not available in general purpose. But once you have that, you can try it out and have the great ability from the OpenAI. So now let's see what are its real ability. So we have seen this video, which is for coding. It can create a snake game. So see, this is a snake game video. This is great. Snake game is there, and it can do a lot of amazing things. Writing puzzle, because obviously it's a complex task. Coding we have already seen. Reasoning, and then you can see logical puzzle. Then comes a mathematical puzzle, I believe. Yes, it's a mathematical puzzle, and Korean ciphers. So check out all these videos and see the capability of O1, and just wait for the release of O1 to use by general public. Okay, so if you like this kind of videos, just hit subscribe button and also hit the like button, because that's going to help me to spread this video to others. And if you want to follow me on social media, just follow me on social media. My username starts like Sarthak Savvy. Find me, tag me, and then we will learn together the AI and LLM things. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.